How to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word 2003. The key to creating a table of contents in Microsoft Word 2003 is by using the built-in Microsoft Word styles, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so forth. So what I'll do to illustrate this process is create a simple 2-page document, and the first page will have our table of contents, the second page will have our actual content. I'll start out by creating the table of contents label, and then below that I will create a page break, insert break, page break, and let's start working on our content. We need to create headers to create the hierarchy for our document, so I'll create a first header named travel and put some fake content there, and I'll create a subtopic called Europe, and another one called Australia, and a new topic called sports, and that one's new topic gonna be football, and then baseball, and then we'll have a final topic called food, with one subtopic called fruit, and the last one called seafood. Great. Now we need to style our headers so that Microsoft Word knows how to create the table of contents appropriately. So let's do all the level 1 headers. Travel is a level 1 header. Here's a heading 1 style. We'll go down to the next one, which will be sports. That's a level 1. And then food is a level 1. I think that's our last one. Yep. Now we'll do our level 2 headers. Europe is a level 2, as is Australia. And under sports, football is a subheading, so that's level 2. Baseball is a subheading, that's level 2. And under food, fruit's a level 2. And seafood is a level 2. Great. So we finished setting up our content. I will just clean up some of the empty spaces here to make our document nice and neat. Alright, now we're ready to create our table of contents. So I'll put the cursor where I would like the table of contents to be and click Insert, Reference, Index and Tables, choose Table of Contents. We can just accept all the default values. Right now we're set to show 3 levels of headers, which is fine, and we're going to use the formats from the template. So I'll click OK, and there's our table of contents. And what Microsoft Word has done is it has used the header styles that we've put in place, and it has determined that, for example, Europe and Australia are subtopics of travel. Travel to Europe, travel to Australia. Football and baseball are subtopics of sports, and fruit and seafood are subtopics of food. Let's say that I wanted to update this a little bit and add some more content. So under Europe, I would like to create a new section called Travel to Spain. And since travel to Spain is a subtopic of Europe, I'm going to create a header 3 there, and I'll create another one called Travel to France, and that's a subtopic, and that's going to be level 3, and we'll just get rid of our blank spaces here. Great. Now we'll go up and update our table of contents. Click with the right mouse button and choose Update Field. Select Update Entire Table. And as you can see, Microsoft Word has used those built-in styles, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, to determine that we have extended our hierarchy. So under Travel, we have Europe, And under Europe, we have travel to Spain, and we have travel to France. And those two are subtopics of Europe, and Europe is a subtopic of travel. Now our document has grown to 4 pages. What would happen if we were to just add more content, which would change the pagination? So let's pretend that the topic of football is much longer than we had planned. So we're going to just stick some more fake content in there. And make this paragraph, this topic, a very long topic. Great. Let's drive the point home a little bit more by changing the introductory paragraph for travel. And we'll just add another paragraph here. And maybe just one more. And maybe one more to Spain, just to shake things up a little bit. Great. So now you'll notice that our document is about 5 pages long, and if we wanted to update it, we simply select the table of contents with our right mouse button, choose Update Field, select the Update Entire Table radio button, click OK, and you'll notice that the pagination has updated. So instead of a 4-page document, we have a 5-page document, and it has correctly picked up the fact that the page numbers for our different topics has changed and appropriately indicated the new page numbers for each topic. The final thing that's really cool about this is if you want to jump to one of these topics, you simply hold down the Control key, which is CTRL, and click that topic. So if I want to jump to seafood, I hold down Control, I click seafood, and boom, there we go. So that's how you create a table of contents in Microsoft Word 2003.